Welcome to AndroidVideoReview.net. My name is Jay Boucher, and today I'm going to be reviewing NYCMate. NYCMate, or New York City Mate, is an app that was made specifically for people who travel a lot in the New York metro area. So it downloads subway maps, the bus maps if you want them, the LIRR, the Path, and New Jersey Transit bus train maps. And lets you check out routes. So let's go here, for example. So the New York City subway map. This is pretty useful. This is probably the most useful map in the program. Basically, just shows you the entire New York Metro subway system. Which subway, I mean, it's basically just the map that they have in the subway. Makes it very easy to use. And it's very helpful to have this whenever, if you're ever in the city and need to figure out which way to go, you can definitely use this. What's also helpful is you can download the bus routes also. So this is the bus map for Manhattan, showing you the downtown bus map. And then you can download, so every time you add something, you gotta download it. So if you wanna take a look at the Queens bus, it's gotta download the map for the Queens bus. So it's downloading a map right now. It downloads pretty fast when you're connected to Wi-Fi. I'm not sure exactly how big the sizes of the maps are. So here, I can go now. I got the Queens bus map. So it's pretty sweet, pretty useful. And let me go back, and I want to check out the New Jersey Transit bus. I'm sorry, New Jersey Transit train. So they only show the rail system for the New Jersey Transit trains, and you can see each train line where it goes doesn't have times or anything like that, but does show the train lines where they go. So this isn't as useful as a subway map, because you usually aren't having too many questions about where the trains are. And then Path, which only has 5 stops on it anyway. So the most useful thing of this is, I think, definitely the subway map. Really aren't any other features or anything else you can do. You can really just enable zooming. You can choose where you want to save the map, so you can you can't choose where you want to save it. Yeah, you can. So you can reset it, and then you can reload it. So say I want to get rid of all the maps I have and then decide to save it on the SD card, I can do that. Right now I have it saving to my internal memory, and it asks you every time you open it after you reset it, where do you want to save it, internal or SD card. So it's pretty good pretty good idea. The app is pretty helpful. I've used it several times when I was in the city to check out which subway lines I could take. And it does its job, does the job very well. There's a bunch of other programs like this. But I can't really think of anything that separates this one from the others, so I can't say too outstanding or spectacular, but it gets the job done just like the other ones do. So if you guys have any questions, just check us out at www.androidvideoreview.net. Thanks.